Hello guys, so this is again how to solve an absolute value inequality. In this case we have less than, so 3w plus 1 minus 4 less than 7. Okay, again, always good to put the absolute value expression on the left by itself. So I'm going to try to isolate here, and while isolating, I'm going to have to add 4 to both sides here. You add 4 to both sides, and doing that, I'm going to end up with absolute value to 3w plus 1 less than, because negative 4 plus 4 is 0, I don't have to write that, less than 11. Okay, 7 plus 4, 11. Okay, from here, you have to go back and try to remember the rule. The rule, when it's written like this, absolute value of x less than a, okay, as in this case here. So the rule here is that you have to write negative, as in this case here. If you have absolute value of x less than a, so it has to be negative a less than x less than positive a. Negative a less than x less than positive a. You use that to solve the problem. Now, once you have that, what you have here is as if it's the x I'm talking about. What you have here is a. Okay, so very straightforward here. Okay, now let's go ahead and rewrite it to solve. So I have negative a, so I'm gonna have to put negative 11 on the left here. Okay, so negative 11 is less than 3w plus 1 and less than positive 11. Okay, and this is what I solve. Again, I'm isolating. In the middle here, I want to have only w by itself. So I'm going to have to subtract 1 everywhere because I don't want 1 there. I have to subtract 1, subtract 1, subtract 1. And once you do that, you'll end up with negative 12 less than 3w, because 1 is canceled out here, less than 10. Okay, now after that we gotta divide both sides by 3 because my goal is to get w by itself, solving for w, isolating w. So I'm dividing everything by 3. Okay, right here, negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4 less than w, because 3 is canceled out. Okay, less than 10 over 3. This is already reduced. You can just put 10 over 3. And this is w by itself. So now, again, if you want, you can use the number line, or you can just go ahead and write the solution. But it's easier to put the number line so you can actually see and pick the solution correctly. Okay, so the two values you have on the left here, it's negative 4. On the right here, 10 over 3. Now, as you can see, w is between these two values, so the solution will be here. Again, you have less than, so strict inequality here. So I have to use parenthesis, not bracket, because there's no equal. So I have to use parenthesis here. And then we know that we can actually put the interval notation now as, so from negative 4 to 10 over 3. And we know we use parentheses. So this is the solution. From negative 4 to 10 over 3. Those are the values for the solution. Thank you.